Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Outdoor the Frasers. Today I've got a Karu 12-inch. It's from Ooni. It's a nice pizza oven. This one is a wood burning. You can use charcoal. I got the gas attachment. You probably even use pellets in it. But anyway, I'm just going to open it up, take a look at it, maybe fire it up, get the first fire through it, maybe season it, run it for about a half hour, and then maybe tomorrow I'll start making pizzas. But I figured let's open this thing up and take a look at it. All right, let's get started. You can see also I got a pizza peel with it too, so we can slide the pizza in. I got a cutting board. Might as well get a nice fresh one, so we'll use that. But what's nice about this too, just for an option, is I also have the gas burner attachment. So we'll try that in a few days too. I want to try the wood first. Gas might be easier to handle, but definitely in the summertime when it's hot and dry, maybe I'll just use that. But I probably prefer to use the wood just for fun and something to add flavor to the pizza. All right, let's get started. Okay, before we get too much further, I'm gonna move this over. I got a heat plate to put underneath there, a little shield, just because we're working with a plastic table. I'll move that, and then I think we can put the rest of this together. Should be light enough. Move this here. Got a piece of tin put on top of the plastic table. And I'm going to make this thing aim towards the camera, and I'll relocate. That's good. We've got the back cover. We'll pull that for a second. Let me get this pan in. This pan is the wood fire pan. Looks like it goes in at an angle. I'm going to put that in before the stone. Let's just slide that in there. Located. Okay. That cover, keep it close by. It actually has a little place to hook it on the back. We'll put that there. Cover this smokestack on top. Get the bee out of the way. Okay, let's move the camera so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, let me get the clay piece in. Don't break it. I want to check the manual, make sure I have the clay facing the right direction. Yep. Ooni facing up. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's get some firewood. some small pieces here. Stack in the middle. It says you should, my understanding, you should cure this for half an hour at the higher heat. One is you're baking up all the solvents, maybe be inside there, as well as getting, I don't know, maybe seasoning that clay just to make sure it's can handle the heat. I got a little bit of fire starter. Let me get some fire starter in here. You don't want to use anything combustible. I'm just going to use some wood chips. Get them in there and we'll let that start the fire. Alright, let's give her a light. Get the camera here, let you guys see what we got going. Let's put the cover on. That should light pretty fast. Let's see if I can get you in there. See that? I also purchased a thermometer, so we'll get that ready and we'll see what the temperatures get up to. Okay, I can get a little fire going in there. I can see a fire, but let's get some temperature reading. $400 on the back. The stone. It's only about 70 degrees, so the stone's not close yet. Let's pull this back and get this cover put on and see what happens. Start building the heat up. We're going to try to get it up to around 700 degrees, 750 degrees to kind of flash off all the chemicals that might be on the metal. Maybe maybe help the stone a little bit. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. This is gonna be fun. This is better than, you know, just making hamburgers or steak out back or hot dogs for the kids. Now we can have little pizza parties outside and we go camping. It's just another thing for camping, something different. If you can't have a fire in a campground, you can use propane. You can still have some fun. All right, let's give this about 15-20 minutes, get it heated up, and we'll see where we're at. All right, let's check the temperature, see what we got. I got 498 degrees on the back. It's getting there. Got a good flame inside. Nice smoke coming out the top where it's supposed to. Really nice flame, really cooking back here, great. I can see this is going to get black back here. It's all right. That's what it's for. Yep, it's going to be good. I don't think there's not much to it. You know, just assemble it, get your wood in there, start to learn it, I guess. We'll see how pizzas come out. Starting a fire is one thing, cooking a good pizza is another. But we'll start that next week. And I did also purchase, like I said, the peel. Might as well open that over here. Again, like I said, it was a gift, so it came all at one shot, which is nice. Even the thanks to my wife and daughter, they even got me the temperature gauge. But a nice peel, should be fine. See if I get that. A nice cutting board. Let's open that up. They've just been sitting, so this is exciting to get it going. Nice board. It's got a little lip on it so pizza can slide off nice. I like that. Keep that in good shape. And then, like I said before too, we got the extra gas burner. I'll just take a look at the box here, but we'll pull that out, some of these down the road here, and try it out. See what it's like. Let's just open it up, take a look. Of course, another book. Always another manual. This just takes the place. I'm going to show it to you. Just takes the weather was nice, so I decided today just to open this thing up and start trying to use it. What I'll do when we're done here, probably head off to the store and get some pizza fixins and try a simple pizza. Maybe just do a pepperoni or cheese pizza, start us out, and work on the crust. Maybe even start out with a pre-made crust, try it out, see how it cooks, see how it melts, and start working our way up in the dough. And then when we get to the dough, then it gets you know, it's kind of fun there too, because you're going to be able to make any kind of different recipes of dough. I like thin, we like thick crust. Try all that. We even got a little clay dish, deep dish. Maybe we can try that inside and see how that works. But so far, no big issues here. Pretty straightforward. Just keep it fed.